Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch, and it's basically 1/2 of the almond stitch. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. Hectanuga Patterns is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. With worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And work a foundation chain in any number in multiples of 4 plus 5. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked my foundation chain, and to make a washcloth, start with chain 29. Slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook. Make a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, you insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through that stitch and through the loop on the hook. So that's 2, so 2 more. So that's 1 and 2. Okay, so that's 4 slip stitches at the beginning of the row. Now we're going to make 4 half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, then pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. So that's 2. I need 2 more. So this is 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochet, and I'm going to repeat that all the way across the row. So now I need 4 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now 4 half doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. 4 slip stitch, 4 half double, 4 slip stitch, 4 half double. You're going to work all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Now at the end of the row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn. So I'm going to work 4 half double crochets here and 4 slip stitch here. So to make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, and I'm only going to work in the back side of the stitch. So my first half double crochet, that's 1, find the back loop, 2, find the back loop, 3, and you have to roll the work over to see that back loop. There's my 4th half double. Now I'm going to make 4 slip stitch. So again, find the back loop and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 4 half doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now I have 4 half doubles. I'm going to work 4 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 half doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now it's 4 slip stitch. 1, and these are slip stitches, so I have 4 half doubles. And the last stitch is a little bit difficult to find, so move that to the front. And there's the loop, so you can just stretch it out a bit with your hook and finish your last half double crochet. And that's how that first row looks. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn. Now here we have 4 half double crochet, so we're going to work 4 slip stitch and then 4 half doubles. So I need 4 slip stitches here, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 4 half doubles in these 4 slip stitches. So roll it over and find that back loop and complete the half double crochet. And that will be all that you need to know. You're going to repeat these last 2 rows until the work is the size that you would like it to be. So every time you begin a new row, you'll start with the opposite of what you see here. I'm going to go ahead and finish across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and finished working across that row. So you'll just continue to repeat those 2 rows for as many rows as you need for the project you're making. For a washcloth, you just continue to repeat these 2 rows until you have worked a square, which is the same width on each side. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.